everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a walk to Montjuic, completely on foot starting right from downtown Barcelona. A lot of people go by cable car, bus, or taxi, but you can actually just walk up and enjoy the views along the way. When I flew into Barcelona last year for my Camino trip, I met a Korean girl on my flight from Abu Dhabi. We were seated in the very last row of the planes, started chatting, and ended up deciding to explore Montjuic together. So this video is going to show you how to do a DIY budget-friendly day trip and why I think it's also the perfect warm-up hike if you're flying into Barcelona for the Camino. We started from downtown Barcelona and just made our way toward Montjuic by foot. It's not too far, and the nice thing about walking is that you get to pass through different parts of the city that you'd probably miss if you took a taxi. Along the way, you get glimpses of local neighborhoods, plazas, and even some unexpected viewpoints.
Amazing! Yeah!
As we made our way up, we stopped at a convenience store to grab some drinks and cookies. I was amused to find a snack called Filipinos. I'd actually first heard about it years ago when my ex was on a video call with his family. His nieces mentioned it in Spanish, and later he explained that there are these ring-shaped chocolate-covered biscuits that are actually pretty popular in Spain. So it was a fun surprise to finally see it in person. Once you reach the base of Montjuic, it's a steady uphill walk.
We're climbing!
So easy. Come in.
Awesome! I'm so tired. Let me sit for a while. Can we go inside? Oh, so nice. Wow. Yeah. Ah.
맞아.
Okay, okay. It's like okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Sure. 맞아.
Right? I don't want stairs. We don't want stairs. Let's see. Is this olive? Is this olive? Olive? Is it? Careful. No. Yeah, stay here because it's the cable car spot. We're gonna be excluded. Is this the right place? No. Yes? No.
Because it was summer, The days were long. Even though it was already around 3:30 in the afternoon, it felt like midday since the sun doesn't set until around 9 p.m. The uphill climb felt a bit like mini hike, which was perfect for me since I was about to start my Camino. And honestly, it was nice not being alone. She even took some candid shots of me along the way, which I really loved. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a dress and sandals instead of a hiking outfit, it's because this was totally spontaneous. I was already out having lunch and she happened to be nearby, so we just agreed to meet and go together.
I think I'm going to buy something there. Ah, okay,
You want to go there?
같이
We
가.
need to go. Okay.
Together.
Together, okay.
아, 저기 있구나. 소리 소리. I understand.
Montjuic has so much to offer. Gardens, viewpoints, the castle, and sweeping views over Barcelona and the harbor. We spent some time just wandering around. We didn't go inside the castle though, since she had to meet her friend afterwards. One of my favorite parts of the day was simply having someone to share it with.
The beach. Very nice beach. Very nice. More beach vibe. Yeah.
You go alone?
Six pack.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I usually travel solo, so little moments like this, meeting someone by chance and spending a day together, make the trip even more memorable. She was such a fun companion and even taught me a few Korean phrases along the way. It was a nice reminder that even when you set out on your own, travel has a way of bringing people together.
Korea is favorite 개그맨. Actor. He say. 여기래 여기. Sound is 여기. Here. Okay. No mouth.
If you're flying into Barcelona before starting your Camino, Montjuic is a great day trip to do. The uphill walk gives you a taste of hiking, helps you stretch your legs after the long flight, and is almost like a warm-up for the Camino itself.
Bye.
And that was our walk up to Montjuic. It was such a fun way to explore the city, and for me, it was also a reminder of the kind of unexpected connections you make when you travel.
Where do
If you're planning your own trip to Barcelona, whether as a solo traveler or on your way to the Camino, I hope this video inspires you to give Montjuic a try on foot. Don't forget to subscribe for more solo travel and Camino content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!